Look, it was muted. There we go. That's better.
You goddamn idiot.
As usual. How are we feeling? Hey, I have the comments open on a little window here, and I'm gonna be pinning some comments that are interesting. So let us know how it's going, and we'll be sure to highlight your stuff. Anuj calls me a mastermind. Yeah, sure, if that's how you want to go about it. I'll take it. Why not? So Sarah, do you want to give us a little recap?
Yes. So last time, oh wait, I screwed up. Last time we basically started. We did a bunch of like talking, and we decided to do this, and now we're going to start actually coding. And what has happened between the time you didn't see us is basically we tried to download the example app, and then I had really an idea to update the packages of the app, and now I'm in a wormhole of pain that we will go through together. And basically that's it. We're going to try and update the packages of the app because turns out the TRPC had a major update and just nothing works now.
Yeah,
So yep, so that's great.
yeah.
We're doing that.
Yeah, although for context, we also I mean, we did some stuff last time. We didn't just, we have a mood board, right? That's
We
something.
do have a mood board, which is pretty impressive to be fair.
This is what it looks like. Let's see if I go here. Look at this. So we decided we should name our course platform Dungeons and Devs. And we're working on some type of like tagline. Embark on a magical learning quest of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, whatever. Um, and we have all this kind of feel. This is the feel we want. We want a retro feel. And so Sarah made a
Feels.
Sarah made a repo that we're trying to clone and failing miserably. So the point today is to try and get everything to follow. And we will do
And
that.
then if we have time, we will also, what's the name? We'll also like start the homepage. By we, I mean Tejas.
Yeah, we can start designing and developing the homepage, just looking at the mood board and seeing what we like. So let's get started building some stuff and npm installing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and we're going to feel the pain of terminal very soon. Um,
Yes.
and updating the dependencies and everything. But first, I need to find my terminal. What terminal do you use? I use iterm 2. I like iterm
I
2.
use Warp. What the fuck? I use Warp. Warp is great. Y'all, okay. I'm not paid by Warp. I wish I was paid by Warp because then I would make money. But use Warp. Warp is great.
Warp.
It's incredible.
The terminal for the
Warp.dev.
21st century. Okay. Wow, we have some product placement immediately. Warp, if you're watching, sponsor with this video. You know what? Let me turn on a light. Does that does that look better? Why not? Um, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna be using iterm. As you can see, I tried and failed. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see the text. Okay, so the README, uh, you know, it. First of all, the README says git clone Saravieira / next full stack starter.
You don't need to read me. First of all, just go to the URL, go to the VS Code live share URL I sent you,
Ah, yes.
and you should be able to open up uh, the localhost 3000.
Localhost 3 million. Wow! What? Live share in the browser? Continue
What?
in web. Okay, sure. I didn't know this was a thing. Here we go. I can sign in. Sign in with GitHub.
Send it.
Allow. Wow. I was not ready for live share in the browser, honestly. This is throwing.
I'm sure it's not in the browser.
This is,
Hey, it's joined your collaboration session.
oh,
So I think now,
so we're gonna be doing this on your machine. Nice. I digs it.
yeah, because I'm the one going through the pain right now. So right now, I think you can open localhost 3000. Can you try and see if you get like a page?
I
Are
don't
you
think
selecting things or is it it's you?
I don't think it's gonna open. You're not opening a port on my machine, Sarah. That's not.
No, that's the thing.
Uh,
I can share. I can share a server.
Surely it's not gonna be local because localhost like resolves to my 127.0.0.1. I'll need an IP address or something, or some type. You can use ngrok if you want me to.
I'm not using ngrok. There is a thing you can do. Okay, server. So like there is a show. Okay, go on Command Shift B. Show shared servers.
Okay. Oh gosh. It seems to have failed. I feel like people come to these live streams and really have a good time. I hope. If you have a good time, let us know in the comments. But
Oh
yeah,
my god, there's a chat. That's so dumb.
Yeah. Um, just
Oh,
to
okay, one thing that I can do, wait, I can share a terminal actually. So if I close it on Warp and I open it in here, I should be able to share a terminal. So Command Shift U and terminal, and let me run ERDX
wow, I see you typing. That's pretty cool.
on the terminal.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, share terminal, read and write. Okay, cool. So you can like now. Okay, let me close this one. This is the shared one, and now I can do the ERDX and not FX, but DX.
Uh,
Wait, did you try to open localhost 3000?
I did. It didn't work because it's my local host.
I know. Okay. Okay, but you can see the terminal, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So it should. How do you share? Share ports, VS Code. Share server. Now enter your server URL.
Oh, here.
Yes.
Localhost 3000. Should I try again?
Yeah. Try again.
Oh.
Right.
Oh. What happened? Okay, so
It's working, right?
no, it's not. I
God
would
damn it.
it would be a huge security problem if it did work, no? Because that means you can just like open random ports on my computer and expose them.
I've done this. I guess it's not a local host then. It's another.
Yes, it would.
Okay, share server or terminal. Learn.microsoft.com, which is very important. Okay. Guys can access the same web server on their own computers at localhost 3000. Yeah, it's the same thing. I may have shared the wrong server.
So you're
Okay.
telling me you can change my localhost 3000. What if I have something running on localhost 3000?
Do you have anything running? Because that may be why.
What? Hi Caleb. I may not. I don't know. I have no idea. Okay.
Okay, can you try again?
Sure. Let's try. What am I trying? Let me check. Just kill everything on port 3000 first. Oh look, nothing was listening. And now try localhost 3000. Boom. No, I don't think this will work.
But it's like it's what it says on the Microsoft.
Shared servers. Let's check. What? Shared servers VS Code Live.
Enter a number of the port. That's it. Yeah. Shared servers. Okay, then supposedly you can go to here. Where is that? I don't have that here. Live share. And there's a shared server.
Is your server shared on the side?
Okay,
Like
yeah. What?
in weird, I don't even have servers here. Do you have shared servers somewhere in your VS Code live share? Ah,
Yeah, so if you did you find it?
no, I don't. I see the session
You
details.
have like the session details and stuff?
Yes, I mean, yeah. I have the session details. Oh, you don't see my screen. Should I share my screen with you? I forgot you're not watching the live stream.
No, I am, but it's delayed.
Yeah, let me just share my screen with you. What am I doing? Oh, um, you've disabled. Can you make me a host so I can share the live stream?
StarCraft collaboration share? What? What do you want? Okay, I need to make you a host. True.
Yes, I just then you can look at my screen and it's not like delayed, you know.
Yes, let's do that. Okay, participants. More. Oh my God, this kind of damn like, these things are like, oh no, it's great now. You can like share everything, and then nothing works
Yeah.
at first try.
Yep.
It's quite amazing.
All right, so I am the host now. Let me quickly just share my screen with you, so at least then you have something to go off of. Boom. All right, you're being shared. Um,
Okay, so these are the session details.
okay.
Okay, this makes sense. This all makes sense.
Yeah, but
Okay, then I should be.
I don't see like shared servers or anything on the side.
No, you're right. That's the weird thing. Okay, let me quit VS Code and open it again.
What if maybe it needs not web VS Code but like system? Ah, I think that might be why actually.
Wait, are you using web VS Code?
Yeah, of course.
Fuck that, man. Download VS Code. What the hell? How the fuck is web VS Code
I don't know.
supposed to
Sorry, it
do
just
that?
opened
How?
in web.
How?
It
How?
just
How?
opened in
Explain
web.
to me. Okay,
Okay.
I'm gonna start a new session. my God, Tejas.
It just okay. How many
Starting the
people are
Skype
watching right now?
collaboration. Okay, it's starting the collaboration session. Am I logged in? I think so.
Yeah, are you sending me the?
Yeah, I'm gonna send you a new link on Signal. Okay, cool. Invite participants. Okay, I sent you a new link on Signal. No.
Your Zoom on the stream is like stuck in the worst possible frame of your face.
That's fine. That's
Um,
fine. I'm pretty used to that. I used to have like a meme website. That's fine by me. Yeah, sure.
I don't know why. I need to fix this because it looks really.
You look so mad.
Yeah, you look really. Oh gosh. Now it just disappeared. I think it's because I started the screen share.
Yeah, screw it. Okay, let's just get the thing working and then you don't have to. And then you don't have to. There we go. I'm moving again. Beautiful.
Okay, God, this is like the worst. Let's make you nice and full size. Golly, it's stream issues all the time. There we go. Look at that. You don't fit fully in the window, but we are going to roll
That's
with
fine.
it because
I'm
that's
going to go with it.
we're gonna go with it. All right. Let me just quickly fix you on the other one too because it's a frozen. Well, it's broken. And if it is broke, I fix. There we go. Oh, you're fixed on the screen share. Okay, good. Where were we? Um, we were
You're gonna go on Signal and you're gonna open the link I sent you.
okay. Let's go on Signal. Open the link you sent me. Boom. Okay. See it
Open
open.
the link I sent you on VS Code.
Okay. That was my big mistake the last time. So let's copy this link, open VS Code, join, sign in, GitHub. Okay.
It's gonna happen. I'm so excited.
What?
Yes.
Open what?
Open.
Unknown
Just
extension.
just 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 open shit. Just open it.
Okay, so now oh,
And yes, enter the
it
URL.
just took the what? Don't save. I don't want to save. Oh, it restarted. Okay.
Okay, this makes a lot of sense. Okay, let me share a server now.
Oh, it's happening. It is happening.
I'm starting my server, and you have access to read only my terminal, and then I'm gonna share localhost 3000. So 3000.
Ah, shared servers. No. Oh, I see it.
It's not working yet. Don't click on it,
Okay.
because then you're gonna get sad that it doesn't work.
You know what that sound
Okay.
means? That sound means someone subscribed to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate.
Wow, someone subscribed for this. That's a pretty low bar you got there. Okay, it should be running now. Can you try again?
Yeah, it's not, but I can. The server URL was. Oh, I see. Oh, hey!
Fuck
Ooh,
yeah!
ooh.
What the fuck did I tell you for?
Wait, so you can just hijack my?
I can do whatever I want. I'm
That's
God now.
that's.
Okay. Okay. So
Ooh.
you can start the homepage if you want while I go and fix the trash that I've made in the background. So right now, what is happening is if you go to the terminal, if you open up like the not sorry, I didn't mean that. I meant the inspector.
The inspector. Okay.
There is like an error fetching the stuff. So I'm gonna try and fix that,
Okay.
and you can have a chat with our lovely people here, talking about like how to do the homepage and stuff. Does that sound good?
That sounds
There's
great.
like complain in the background while I try to fix shit.
That sounds really. Do y'all like that audience? Even if you don't like it, you don't kind of have a choice. But okay, cool.
It's just like a 30-second delay. So we're like, do you like that audience?
Yeah,
And then you have to like wait 30 seconds
yeah.
completely
That
still.
looks good. Let's get creative. So I like designing web pages. Sarah, by the way, feel free to interrupt and scream if you have issues.
I
I
will scream. It's fine.
I I like to design stuff using Photopea, which is it's like Photoshop but not Photoshop, and also free, and also runs using WebAssembly, and it's like pretty nice. And so we start with a blank canvas at a base resolution, 1920 1080, maybe. And I don't know. I want to get a feel. So what my plan is, right, to make this look nice, is I want to look at this mood board. Ooh la la, wow. And create and think of something like
Oh,
retro-y. And something that fits. So we already know the font we want to use is cartridge. So we'll use something close and create something like this, probably with a tagline: "Embark on a magical learning quest of whatever." By the way, I'm reading your comments and things. So if you want to have creative input today, that's what you will do. By the way, thank you for the sub, Nicholas. I appreciate. So now let's get into it. So we have a blank canvas. How do you make a website? I guess the first question, Sarah and audience: dark or light by default?
Dark.
Dark. Okay, it's easy. Let's uh, make it nice and dark.
That's a good idea.
Basically done. It's ba- we have a black page. It's good. Okay. Next, we need uh like a retro type of big. I like the rainbow gradients. Like if we look here, right? There's what we see common is big colors and green and red, stars and galaxy. So we want to like talk about a quest, a galaxy. Some
There is this. Wait, no, is it? No, wait. I'll come back to what I'm saying.
okay. We could. I like the space theme, but it's called dungeons. But I still like the space theme. Let's get some inspiration. Design inspiration. Y'all know what design? If you don't know design inspiration, where have you been really? Um,
I actually did not know that.
it's really good.
Okay, I'm gonna focus on my wormhole of pain.
Sure. Feel free to mute me or share your screen if you want us to do the data model with you or whatever.
Trying to fix bugs still,
Yeah.
and then we'll do the data model. Yes.
No saves found. What? Dungeon. I'm just searching for, oh, here we go. Oh, I like this. This looks it's like a castle type. Unicorn. That's very magical. Hmm. Big colors and trees and something like that would be really cool. I like that. Some type of landscape. Let's go look on Unsplash for some type of landscape quest. Ooh, this picture. Imagine this, but like 8-bit. That's what I want. I want some Kratos energy. Ooh, that's even better. I'll copy this. Put this on the canvas and see how it feels. Huh? Photo P. Okay, something like this. Yeah, I dig it. Imagine you show up to a website and you see something like this. Ooh, maybe we can. I'm no good at vector graphics. That's why I'm doing this kind of thing. Hmm. Maybe we can select inverse and make it some type of like magical rainbow type thing. Radial. Choose like something like this maybe. And oof. That's so cool. So imaginative. Wow. So I kind of like this direction. So at this point, I'm literally just like experimenting and trying to find good design. Um, feel free to suggest things if you want, but I'm just playing here. I like this notion also of a person like on a quest. That looks pretty nice. Um, okay, let's select just a little bit around the person. Inverse. Let's feather this. 25, 200 pixels, something like that. And we will draw the same gradient. Ooh, that feather was a bit too much. So we'll do 50. Yeah, big ring. Ooh, what? Why? Oh, I did it on the same picture. I was supposed to do a new layer. So new layer. We'll soft light this. Wow, that inspires some wonder, doesn't it? Can maybe make this. It's crazy. Mm-hmm. I want to maybe hue shift this a little bit. so cool. This looks pretty nice. What is happening? Need the move tool. Something like that, you know? Why? Why do you keep moving to the artboard tool? Something like that. I like it. Maybe we can erase some of the edges. Big. I feel like if Isaac Zara is watching this, he'd be judging me really hard. Isaac Zara is one of the best designers I know. Um, some type of adventure energy. That's what I'm trying to create here. Hmm, I don't know. So this looks all. Hmm, it needs something. Maybe we just go full on like galaxy instead. This is like part of my process is to just like throw away stuff. Oh, I see a great idea from Nicholas. Use DALL-E. Let's do that. That's a great idea. Um, yeah, I want something like. Let's go ask DALL-E. How do I do that? It's OpenAI, right? I don't want ChatGPT. It'd be cool if ChatGPT could generate something, an image. Imagine that. Hey, ChatGPT, send nudes.com. Yeah. Where? Where's the login? Is there no login? What? Ah, Dolly, I guess here. Oof.
Okay.
It's okay about the dimensions, Nicholas. We can just, like, you know, warp stuff. Do I have access to Dali? If not, one of these
You
days.
don't?
I don't know. I've never. Oh, look, I guess I do. Start with a
Okay, cool.
start with a detailed description. Uh, an explorer on a magical quest through the dungeons of
Wait,
script.
I sent you a link on Signal for like my keyboard stopped working. I sent you a link on Signal for like pixel art for this kind of stuff. That's
Oh, that's
could be good inspiration. Yeah.
itch.io. Yeah, my phone and laptop are in do not disturb mode, so like if you send me something, I'm not gonna see it. All my
That's
notifications.
fair.
Wow, this is yeah, I see these, right? But I hear you when you say this is very on the nose, but I really like it. Like this little Pokemon type of vibe. Um,
Yeah. That's what I mean. Yeah. And I think a lot of these things are like actually like CC0 even. So we could use it as backgrounds and stuff. Holy fucking shit, Swap's working. My God.
what's working?
This godforsaken website. Okay.
Sarah, I
Okay.
feel
This thing
like you're
works.
very good at TRPC.
What?
I feel like
I'm a genius now. That's the point. Okay. So I'm going to see if the sign in and sign up works.
I wonder if DALL-E prompts are like stable diffusion prompts.
You're trying to import this, which does not
Oh
exist.
wow, look at that. It's Clear McGiver designed some shit. This is so cool. Um, wow, like DALL-E really knows what Pokemon is. That's quite impressive, I have to say. Specify 8-bit style in my description. I can do that.
I'll put 16-bit style.
16-bit style. Um, see what.
Pixel art stuff, something like that.
Show me the meaning of being. No, no, get copyrighted. What is he saying? Oh, look at this. That's pretty nice, yo. Let's to start. Hello, mm, soul travel. I like this. I like this a lot. It's a good direction.
Where the fuck are these things imported now?
They're imported from where they're exported.
I know, but like apparently I also updated hero icons and they changed how they import things.
I wonder if Unsplash would just have a ready to go like large 16-bit like Pokemon game. Pokemon. Hmm. Wow. It's all like photography and it's good, but like wow, a tile set. Can I I'm gonna see if I can get some like this is so awesome. I'm gonna see if I can get the like Creative Commons license and just build my own. Is there a filter for it? That's free. Boom. All right, let's see if I
Is
can
it no exclamation icon now? Is it gone? The
exclamation.
exclamation icon is gone.
I don't know what you're talking about. An exclamation icon.
It's gone now. I don't know what happened to it.
You mean the key or?
Like they apparently like renamed it or something. There we go. Okay. Okay, we're getting places. It has compiled now. Okay, user not found. That makes sense because I'm trying to sign in. That is a good error. Good error. Good.
Nicola, did you have any good prompt? Let me try your prompts. What did you put? You put 8-bit style art of an adventure walking on a path to start a long journey. Mountains in the background. Big landscape. Let's see. Drum roll, please. See what happens. Lettuce. See what happens. Broccoli. See what happens.
Oh my god, dude, this thing is working.
Wow. Can I get this in a different size? Wow. What happened? It just what?
Try to get it in a different size. That was your mistake.
What? It just like why? Why you do this to me? I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done. Okay, so I found it. Oh, I have 10 credits left. I didn't know there was credits based. I
It
want
is
this.
red space.
I want this one, but I wanted like wide. Wow, I can edit it. Yo, that's some next level stuff. Okay. So, oh, that's a good idea. You know what? Since it's pixel art, this is what resolution 1024 by 1024, right? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna download. Can I download you? Oh, I have downloaded you. Let's go here to my canvas. Canvas. We'll paste. Oof. Beautiful. The website is done. Maybe we can just do a hack. I have an idea.
Oh my god, he has an idea. I don't know if this is good or bad.
Nicholas is being so helpful. Like this dude.
Well, yeah, there's always gonna be one person that's really helpful in
Yeah.
our streams because otherwise we can't do anything.
Nicholas is the Ramon of this stream. Okay.
What was I gonna do? Oh,
You were gonna vibe out. So now I'm gonna I wonder this is gonna create a really trippy effect. I'm curious to see what happens. So we will control T and just ooh it's you know I don't know. I want to play with this idea. It's very colorful, isn't it? Some countries called they want their flag back.
they want their flag back?
This honestly looks like a big flag. This this thing on my canvas.
Dude, what the hell was that?
Yeah, exactly. This is
Oh, there's another pixel art gallery place. Wait, where was that? It was,
let me you know what? I think I need more inspiration. Pixel art website design. Boom. Oh, hello. Look at these. On a dribble. Just need some inspiration. Let's see what we have. Play my life. Wow. That's not what I asked for, but I love it. This is cool. Decentralized cryptocurrency.
I love the cryptocurrency one.
I also love the cryptocurrency. This is not hard to do with HTML and CSS too. You're just like because you just have a grid and you put stuff. That's pretty good. We should do that.
Yeah, that one is actually like, yeah, but instead of doing with like a Mario thing, we do like with like a Zelda kind of thing.
Yeah.
Zelda Pokemon kind of thing.
Yeah.
Which I do think that it may be easy to find something on itch. I sent you the itch link. Let me go get it for myself.
I see it. Itch.
Yeah, but I want to remove the tag. I had a weird tag. Where's the tag? Okay, game assets. Just game assets. Okay, pixel art. Top down.
Do they give them to you as like PNGs?
Yeah,
Oh,
but it's like with little, like you just have to set them up together.
that's awesome. That's really cool.
Sort by popular, yeah. Okay, cool. The tech dungeon.
Roguelite. It's an actual game.
The generic RPG pack.
Where are you?
This generic RPG pack may be exactly what we fucking want.
Where are you finding
Honestly.
these?
Yeah, I'm sending it on Signal. I am now sent it on Signal.
I am Weasel. Let's see. Wow. Let's do it. If I get a bunch of PNGs, I'm ready. $9.99. Hello. I should donate, shouldn't I?
What? No, if we end up using it, we donate.
Okay.
Yeah, that was my idea.
And also if we end up being successful. Where is thank you for downloading.
Oh wait, I have one that's perfect. I actually already bought this, I think.
Dungeon.
Your purchase is this. I'm gonna send it to you.
I love this.
I think the last one I sent.
Okay.
Open the last one I sent.
Sunnyside. Oh, this is perfect.
Yeah.
This is absolutely perfect.
I have already bought this. It's all good. I can just download it and send it to you.
Wow, look at this. It's like you can make people chop down trees. That's awesome.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Sarah, we have to do like
files.
in this course platform, we have to, you know how in Mario like you jump from like world to world on these little dot things? That should be like lessons and courses.
That's not, yeah, that is a good idea.
You were gonna say that's not a good idea.
I was gonna say that is a good idea.
Nice.
I'm gonna send you like zip files now. Get ready for zip files.
Zip files incoming.
With PNGs on them. Zip files with PNGs are on their way now. On Signal.
I feel like honestly this is the most Fabian thing ever. This wow, look at the background of this website. It's just a bunch of trees. Ah, we have to do this. I love it. I love inspiration. Where's my PNG? Are they coming?
One of them is gone, then I'm gonna send you, there are two more.
Wait, so you're telling me it's kind of nuts that you just get PNGs and you can do whatever you want with them.
That's the idea. What is this one? Okay, let me download the characters again.
Right, I have PNGs. Let's go. One. Downloads.
So you have the world tile set, world assets, and oh, there's also world buildings.
That's
and characters.
a lot.
And props. Oh my god, there's so much shit in
Yo,
here.
listen, this platform is just gonna be like a big RPG game. But
that's the idea. Yes.
Oh, that's gonna be amazing. Amazing. Okay, where is do I have everything? I
think so.
All right, let's get to building. This way, I don't even need to draw stuff. I just use PNGs. Compose component. Compose component.
You have to open them though.
Indian suck.
So they usually come in like tile sets. So if you open the world or something, that's a different one. Okay. Open the world one.
Second, open the world one. World War Two. World assets. Yes.
Okay.
I'm just kind of opening all of them to unzip, just get it kind of bothers me that these are just zip files sitting here. All right, I have everything.
Okay, Sunnyside World. Exactly. That's the one you want to open. Oh my god, you have so much shit in your downloads. It's actually kind of painful to look
I know that's Sunnyside World. All right, I got it. Game Maker Studio.
at. Oh, I don't think that was it actually. Then
Rooms.
yeah, go back, go back. It wasn't that. It wasn't that. Go back.
Ah, here. Or
Yeah, but it's not. So Sunnyside Assets.
PSD.
No, that's a PSD.
Oh, here.
That's it. Go back.
It's just sprite sheets.
Yeah, there's spreadsheets.
Yeah.
No, that's not it, boy.
Okay.
It's the no, it's the. Can you go on the first one, Sunnyside World again? Sorry, I know I'm being annoying.
It's okay. The first one, yes.
Yes. No. Close that. Game Maker Studio. There's probably like sprites. Yeah,
Ah,
tile sets.
sprites. Oh,
Sprites or tile sets.
okay.
No, fuck that. It's probably tile sets we want.
Okay. Forest. Boom.
God damn it. That's still not good. Okay. Oh, I think I downloaded the wrong one. Okay, I'm gonna send you another one.
This is the grade A content everybody came to the live stream for today, isn't it?
You all trying to open up like spreadsheets. Okay, I sent you the correct one. Sorry.
Nicholas Carlo is asking, is the plan to build a what is it? Is the plan to build a RPG course platform? The answer, Nicholas.
Yes, is yes.
The answer is
This
1,000,000%. Sarah, what have you sent me?
I think I sent you another one. Wait, let me open it myself.
This is great. By the way,
No, this is Game Maker Studio. Yeah, that's not what I want.
okay, I'm gonna let you find what you want and talk to the nice people in the live stream.
That's a good idea.
Brett Cooper says Stable Diffusion does tiles and can do 8-bit styles. What? Stable Diffusion is beast. I'm surprised there is no like online Stable Diffusion uh like web UI just ready to use. I guess there is. Is there? Let me know in the comments. I could host a Stable Diffusion. Like, what's that guy? A1111 has one. But it's a bit hard to host the model.
So I think you have to open this PSD basically. But you can open it on Photopedia. That's okay. And it's just like I think it's just all of the layers in this PSD. I sent you the PSD on yeah.
Okay, yeah, Photopedia. Do you mean Photopea?
Yes. I can't pronounce that. I think you can just open it there.
Yeah, I opened it. Nice.
No, you have to open a new file. Because that way it's just inputs it as like yeah.
It's oh yo.
Yeah, now you have all the stuff. See, now you have the town scene and all that stuff,
Wow.
and it's all in layers.
Yo.
Yeah. Figured it out. We both figured it out. It's gonna be okay.
So there's a town, there's farming, and there's base. Ooh, this is so awesome.
There's mess. What is mess? Can you turn it on?
Nothing. Let's maybe put it on top of everything and find out.
Oh,
It's literally a mess.
it's literally a mess. I mean, fair.
Valid. Great, awesome. So now I guess we can start building our homepage. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go back here, and I'm just gonna copy paste some transparent nonsense. Delete. First things first, I want this awesome background. That's not the background layer. It's in base. Grass grid. Ooh. And there's just words.
Oh, you can maybe delete the words because that makes it really confusing.
Oof.
Yeah, you have the grass there. That's the grass.
I mean, it's not really the grass, is it? It's just gradient, but should do. Wow. The website's done.
Yeah, we've done it. We've fucking done it.
Wait, so this looks good. Maybe we should have a big title here with cartridge or some font. Like Photopea doesn't have the cartridge, and then we'll put trees and stuff around it, and that should be good to go, right? I think that should be.
I think generally, yeah. Yeah.
You think generally what?
Did I not send you cartridge?
No, you didn't.
No? Okay, I'm gonna send it to you as well.
But I'm not gonna upload it to Photopea because that would be illegal. Oh wait.
Fair point.
Wait. Oh, they have local storage. Font.
I'm gonna send you cartridge.
Yeah. And I can put it in Photopea. I don't know if it'll upload it. If it uploads it, it's not my fault. I'm not doing file share. I'm assuming it's not going to share the font. Anyway, yeah, send it. I'll use it. Do you want to do like a I want I'll ask you. I'll ask you later. I think we should do it like in the wait, what is the Zelda font style anyway? Let's check. Zelda font style.
Oh my god, seriously? Not that. Not you. You're fine. You can select photos and videos along with files, but I'm not selecting photos and videos with files.
Is it can't or can?
Can't. Signal is being a little bitch about it. It's like you can only send one file at a time. You want to send many? That's not no. It's going to take
Why is
time.
Signal like Hispanic?
Okay, I sent you cartridge.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. It took a while though.
Where's Photopea? Photopedia. I love it. Cartridge. Oh, it's a TTF. How?
I can send you OTF. I have both. I didn't know which one you wanted, so I was just like, I'll send the first one I see.
Font book. Let's go. Sarah, I don't know how you have all these awesome fonts, but I think it's cool that you have all these awesome fonts.
I bought it with my money that I make making buttons. It's true. That's what I did.
Loaded. Yes, it is locally stored. This is listen.
It's really cool. Yeah, it's using the one stored on your computer. Really.
If you
Yeah.
take one thing away from this live stream, everybody watching, it's that Photopea deserves your donations because it's free and it uses WebAssembly and it's just magical engineering for reals. Let's
It is. It's pretty magical, to be fair.
what's it called? It's called Dungeons and Devs. So let's type this Dungeons and Devs, and then let's make it huge, huge.
Next off, not next off.
Nuxt auth, nice. Ooh, I
All
like
right, I was trying to find next off, and I ended up writing next off.
because you're a Vue.js developer at heart.
I am. That's what's up.
I think let's play with this a little bit and make it like make it I make it like bendy. Yes. Some would say only I know what I'm saying. And I think they'd be right. How do I make this bendy?
Hmm?
You can write CSS and Photopea. What? This is not.
What?
Oh. Okay, well. Sure.
You can write CSS?
Yeah, I didn't. There's a CS. Nothing's happening with my CSS. It's like rejecting my CSS.
Fair.
You know what? I would reject my CSS. There has to be an apply button somewhere. Oh, it's read only CSS. So like for a font, it's the CSS of your font.
Oh, okay, yeah.
How do I make?
Let's import this GitHub provider. Let's get some GitHub login.
Oh, look, Fabienne showed up once again to the live stream. Our first
French boy.
our first returning user. French
Good old
boy.
French boy. Good
Bonjour.
old French boy.
Ça va? Très bien.
Stop. Did you just say something?
Yeah. I speak French. What? 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 Tip dynamics. I need to make this thing bend, and I don't know how, but I have a vision in my mind. Oh, nope. It has to be here. You could do this in Photoshop, you know? There has to be a way. Welcome to the circus. I like the close text.
Callback URL.
Are you doing auth stuff, Sarah? It sounds like you're doing auth.
Yeah, I'm adding the GitHub thing. Adding GitHub URL. Yeah.
Sign in with GitHub. Okay. You know what? This is probably gonna be easier with just CSS. I'm gonna move this, center you nicely, and then let's start decorating. Let's. What do we have? Scene.
Okay, so client ID.
Let's use the font one.
You come here. and then we're gonna plop you into here
Flop.
as the second provider. Ooh, second provider. Look at you. And then we're gonna and we need a GitHub ID and GitHub secret.
GitHub cigarette.
Yes. Yes, GitHub secret. Yes, that is exactly what I said. Okay, client ID. Okay, that's it. Where's this shit looking weird?
we
Why
need
is
a
my GitHub file looking weird?
we need a GitHub cigarette. Okay, so
Generate a new client secret, le copy, and le paste.
le paste.
So,
You say it.
paste the C. Okay, let's try this now.
I want a town.
You
Boom.
want a what?
A town. It
You
will
want a pound?
a town. Town, you know town, like city.
Oh, like sitting.
City.
Do you know sitting? Do you know sitting, Sarah? Do you know sitting? You should. You're fucking
City.
developer. Do you
City.
know sitting? Oh my god, today it's football day, Tejas. I'm so excited for football
Who's
day.
winning?
Football day is always my
Is
day.
it Real Madrid?
But no, what? Why do you think I even watch Real Madrid?
I don't know shit about it.
Was it like the only team you could think of?
Yes.
Okay, that makes more sense. Because I was like genuinely kind of mad at you.
I want one fruit tree. Boom. Oh, these sprites are tiny. Tiny little spritey whiteys. And they're not vector, huh? Yeah, sadly. It's okay. Is it though? I don't want them to be pixelated. How do I make them big without pixelating them?
You can't.
Ah, you know what? I don't care. No, nobody will notice. It's just like twice the size. I'm sure Fabian has some criticism for me now. He's always like that. He's like, oh, but it's not gonna be smooth. Um,
Are you smooth? Though, are you smooth? Okay, I have a lot of console logs.
what is
You don't get to-
what is Brett Cooper? What is the URL to photo thing? Let me paste it for you, Brett. Boom! It's Photopedia. I'm joking. It's photop.com. Um, I just noticed your floating window is on my shared screen. That's cool. Um, warp option at the top. Thank you, Akash. Akash Hamirwasia for president. Appreciate that. Just have different name from Twitch. Hell on Earth is. I'm happy to see you, Brett. Nice to see Hell on Earth is. All right, so now let's design this thing with some trees. Huh? How about that? How about them apples? One tree there. Oh, one tree. Why?
God, I hate docs. Just in general, fucking docs, man.
Sarah doesn't like documentation. You heard it here first.
Dude, how do I just give me the goddamn thing to do the login? And it doesn't.
Give it the login.
I need to click on that button. There we go. I found it. I found it.
Woo.
Hero. Okay, let me go to the login page. There is no login page. What did I call it?
Oh, you know what I want? I want a road that goes like through the.
I call it sign in.
That's awesome. I want to wait just for everyone on the stream to understand my madness. You know what I want? I want a I want a road like oh that's a bit too big, isn't it? A road that goes like here and that invites people to scroll down. And then when you scroll down, there's like more stuff, like what it is, and then like a little sign up for course. Oh, maybe even like here's the top courses, which at this point doesn't exist. That's so freaking awesome. Okay, so that is my plan. So how do I get a road? I'm gonna go here. Ooh, look, roads. Paths. Here, I'm gonna copy this. Oh, really? There's just one layer for paths? Hmm. Photopea is really awesome, but it also sometimes isn't.
Import sign in from next auth React.
See, like when it selects background layers, I don't know why it does that. I'm gonna lock this thing. All right, let's come here and connect the path. Ooh, look at this. But just gonna make it. Is there really just one path? It's a bit unfortunate, isn't it? I get rid of this. Probably in the farming scene, there's more paths, huh? Number of people, path. Okay, sure. I'll take. Oh,
We need to pass the provider, I think, which should be provider. I need a new computer.
Don't we all?
It's just like so slow at this point. Oh god. Sign in method.
You know what? The paths have a color. I'm just gonna draw my own. I'm just gonna draw my own. That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay,
Fabian,
finally, sign in.
Fabian says think
Yeah.
dungeons and you need a dragon animation. And he says full CSS. Classic Fabian uh he wants a full CSS path. I can do paths with full CSS, but I can't do trees with full CSS, my friend. That is where I draw.
Yeah, I mean, you can't, not with that fucking attitude.
Don't encourage him. Okay, so let us. What? I don't want a soft brush. You're a soft brush. So I want something like this. Like this with some trees and some foliage. That's good. That's a little masterpiece, isn't it?
I don't know. It's in the same email. So I gotta nuke the database.
Comes down from here. Gosh, man, straight lines are like my enemy.
Straight lines are my enemy.
Then we'll do another one. No, 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 no. Nice. Straight lines are my enemy. Oh, this is so Pokemonish. I love it. Da 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 da. Okay. Um, there's an awesome thing called path texture. I need that. This thing here. I'm gonna copy this. Just a bunch of circles. Look at that. Beautiful. A little bit. What? Yeah. So oops.
Oh my god, what the fuck? What is this?
I know, right?
Account not linked. Did it not nuke my database?
I think you did.
I don't think I nuked the database.
I was
I
there.
don't think I nuked it. I gotta nuke it. I didn't nuke it. Where is it? It's DB. It's DB nuke. Yarn DB nuke.
Noob Cybot.
Okay, now it's actually nuking it. Okay, it did not nuke it. That was the problem. That was the issue. So I tried to log in and he was like, you already have an account with this email. And I'm like, wait, but I nuked the database.
Okay, you know what? This is gonna be way harder here in photo. I hope you don't die. Please don't die. Shivam, who's asking, the course platform is something that Sarah and I are building to teach people how to do cool stuff. If you weren't here last week, or not last week, if you weren't here, when did we do the first one? Monday?
Monday. It's Monday.
If you weren't here
Monday,
Monday, we decided to build this thing in public and put courses on there so anybody who wants can sell their courses for money. We don't keep money. I don't
For Monday.
Yeah, you just take your make a course, teach people how to code, done.
It doesn't have to be for money. If you want to do it for something else, that's also fine. I'm not here to judge.
Yeah,
I just thought it was really funny that you were like, for money.
yes. If you want to make courses for the sake of making courses, whatever. We're just building a platform. Okay. Brett said, could you set the DPI and CSS so the pixels are large, like 4x? Maybe. I don't know.
You should definitely be using what's the name?
What's the name?
What's the name? A Sprite for this. Like I have A Sprite. I find it really funny that I'm the one that actually knows how to do some pixel art, but you're the one trying this while I'm doing like GitHub login shit.
Collaboration. Should we be using Builder.io? I feel like since I'm joking.
You were already using the shirt last time. Are they paying
No,
you?
no, I'm not.
Because Warp isn't paying me.
Were you just
I just like them.
were you just saying are they paying you? They're not paying me. They sent me like a big winter shirt and the summer shirt. I'm wearing the summer shirt now. Last time I met you, I was wearing the winter shirt. That's and
They pay you in swag.
they pay me in
Try signing in with a different account. What does that mean?
I think it means wait. use a different account to sign in. My suspicion. But
Why?
I don't know. Nicholas mentions a dragon that follows your mouse and tries to eat it if it comes too close. That should be a course, Nicholas, and that should be the course you make.
Oh, there's an error. Okay.
Um,
Oh, I need more data. That makes sense.
I think
Oh, okay.
I think Fabian, the the cursor should be a sword, 100%. This is
Oh,
why
there should definitely be a sword.
cursor has to
That is a
be,
really good idea.
and then
Actually, I'm so in for that.
and the hover cursor should be like a sword that's like, you know, moving. Oh, and when you click, it has to like slash the button. Okay. Um, this thing is gonna be so lit. So what I'm gonna do now is just build this in CSS because I cannot copy paste a million trees, but I can write a for loop and just put like a million trees on the screen. Let's do that. Let's do that. Are you okay?
Mm,
I'm hearing sounds of pain.
fair. I don't know. I'll let you know in a bit.
Close all.
Schema the Prisma. I think the password has to be. The password can't be mandatory.
Close all. Close. I don't want. Why is VS Code fighting me? Okay, cool. So
Why
now,
is the password not mandatory? Where is the password?
Sarah, are you saying inflammatory comments about me?
Inflammatory comments.
I don't even.
The user has a password, but this user does not have a password because that doesn't make any sense.
Hey, Sarah, what's your password?
My password for what?
Uh,
Where is reset token? Reset token is also
if I
like
answered for
this.
what would you have told me? That would have been so funny.
So it reminds me of one time where, do you know Marcel?
Sure. Marcel
You
Cuts?
don't, do you?
Marcel Cuts?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know him.
Yes. One time, like we were at what's that conference in React Amsterdam, and he was like, "Oh, where are you staying?" And I just out of my brain, instead of like thinking about what I was saying, I was just like room 7. And he was like, "Why did you tell me your room?" I was just wondering if you were in this hotel, and I was like, "Oh well, now you know."
Yeah. I,
Yeah, probably if you were just like, "What's your password for this?" I'll be like, "It's this." Like my brain can't do two things at the same time, so you will just answer the question.
it's your password for eToro. Okay.
What is eToro?
So
Oh, I don't have eToro. Never mind. I know what it is. I've seen it in football shirts.
why is hot reload not working or is it just me?
Where are you?
I changed the oh gosh. I changed the index page to just
Oh, sorry. I'm starting the server again. Can't you see? Okay. Can't you see?
yeah.
Sorry, I needed to restart the server to add a migration. Sorry. So
This is
I
called
was like,
concurrency.
isn't it
Okay.
great? Okay, it's running the C. Just give it a second and it should be starting. Yeah, you can see it there.
Shivam Sharma used to teach fluid dynamics on YouTube and he gave up as he got almost zero views. You know what?
Oh no.
Shivam, listen, I also I almost gave up also because I don't nobody watches my YouTube. That's why I live stream and do whatever I want, you know. I don't if it's an encouragement to you, views ought not be the motivating factor for YouTube. It has to be vibes. It has to be do you enjoy it? I enjoy it.
Yeah, like I know you mean well, my man. But but it's also hard to continue to do things when you don't have like anyone telling you like that you're doing a good job kind of thing, right? Like,
Yeah.
do I need to
Unless
nuke the database?
unless you like it. Like I really like eating, and even if someone tells me not to, like someone, no one tells me I'm doing a good job, I just eat food. You know.
I mean, it's not the same.
Sure. I know what you're saying. Like encouragement goes a long way. I agree. In fact,
Yeah.
I'm thankful to be surrounded by people who like if I go to them and go like, oh, nobody watches my YouTube, I feel like such a failure. They're like, dude, it's fine. You're awesome. Pat on the back. You know,
Yeah, exactly. Like you need to have some sort of like, a backup system in that kind of
a
stuff, right?
support system. Yeah, I agree.
I'm gonna restart the server again because I have to
Ah,
change the
it works.
thing.
Oh, you're restarting it again. But I was just
Sorry, I need to change the schema. That's the only reason I need to restart it. Do you want to have GitHub login or do you not want to have GitHub login?
I want.
Because then I have to restart it.
Okay, it's all right. We can wait. I think.
The database is now okay. It doesn't need to run seed or anything, so it should be fast, I think.
Is the font size
Because
good
it's
for everybody? If the font size is not good, tell me in the comments. Good.
okay, next dev. Okay. I think you should be able to go there now.
I'm gonna pin. Where's Fabien's comment? He has a nice one about the sword. This one. That is the pinned comment from now on. Okay, is it running? Can I play? Save.
Yeah, it's running. Sorry. I forgot to say it.
Sarah, is your refrigerator running?
My refrigerator?
Yeah.
I think so.
Then you better go catch it. Woo.
Wow.
I
Wow.
oh man, this is why. This is why. That's all I'm gonna say.
Fucking wow. Dude.
Um,
Oh my god, what the hell? I need to nuke the database.
you know what?
Okay, I'll do it in a bit. I'll do it in a bit.
But like hot reload is not even that hot here. Like I hit save, right?
I
And
mean, it's running, it's going from your computer to my computer to then reload on my computer to then reload on your computer. And
in
my
the
computer is quite slow. So yeah, I don't think it even has like I think you just had to reload the page.
wow, welcome to
Right?
the 18th century.
Yeah. There we go. Now it's done. You need to yeah.
Okay, wait. I'm just testing. I'm gonna type to hit save.
You can also leave my dude, it's actually no, you need to no, because then you need to figure out how to install Docker and stuff.
It's okay. I hit save. Nothing happened. Let me reload. And is it up to date? If it's up to date, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. I can just, I don't need hot reload. I can cold reload, whatever. It's all good. No worries. Here.
I will be back. I just need to leave for 2 minutes and I'll be back.
Is
I need to
everything
go to the bathroom. I need to go to the bathroom.
cool? That's all right. If y'all
Is it?
okay.
Is it? Are you sure? I felt kind of, kind of put on the spot here. Oh my god, dude, we've been on this call for like an hour.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
See you. See you in a few minutes. We've lost Sarah. Which means now, oh dude, we lost Sarah and I have access to her computer on live share. But I'm a good guy. I won't do. I won't do. It is a warmish reload, isn't it? Brett, listen, my fridge joke is hilarious always. That's that's it. Um, so let's do this now. So if we go here, what are we gonna do? There's layout. What is layout? I want to get, so my plan, right, is to get rid of this stuff. I just want the whole page to be my party place. And for that, I need to find a component called layout and wait for it to load because we're on live share. Live share for life. But man. All right, how are we doing? Is it still loading? Oh man, I wonder if, wait, layout. Oh, good, it's here. Whew. Okay, so we can get a comment out header, save, reload. I tried reload again. Ah, okay, so it's a very, 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 very ice cold reload. Um, cool, no doubt, no doubt. This looks good. Where's the style sheet? Is there I just quit VS Code. Life is hard. Open VS Code again. No, I don't want to open you, man. I don't. Everything is very complicated right now. I'm getting overwhelmed. Somebody write me calm words in the live share. Join. Enter the URL. I don't know. I want to paste. Can I paste? Can't paste. Classique, as Fabian would say. Paste. Okay, good. It's coming. It is loading. Nicholas Carlo liked my fridge joke. And thanks, man. Okay. Cool. So I'm not why I'm not following Sarah. I don't want to follow Sarah on live share. I do want to follow her like on Twitter and live and all that, but like okay. So here, what I want is CSS. I'm sure a global CSS. Awesome. No, I don't want BG Slate 900. Okay, let's go do the ice cold reload now. Are you a king? Wow, okay, awesome. So now what I want is the color of this grass. I want this one. Whatever that is, take it, go to tailwind.config.css and theme, extend, colors, grass. Boom, save. Please, please, please. Okay, excellent. What? Why are you? What? Okay. And then we come here, BG, grass. Boom. How you doing? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm not so used to this. All right, let's go. Okay, localhost, refresh, 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 refresh. Ice cold. Ooh, look at that. That's so good. Now we need the font, and we need to put the font in the Next.js web page. Should we do that? Yeah, yeah. Let's use next font. Next at next font. Boom. Are you? Look at this. I want it. So we'll come here to live share terminal. Let's make another terminal. Boom. And uh, I want this one. How do I open a new shared terminal? Can I somehow shared terminals? That's read only. I can't run stuff on Sarah's machine, but now I need to npm install. Is that cool? Let me know if it's cool in the comments. Um, all right. So it's fine. I will do the font later while we wait for Sarah. What I will do here is say Dungeons and Devs. We'll do class name, text. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back.
Hello, hello.
How are you doing?
Yeah. One thing that I discovered in the US, besides capitalism even more, was vitamin water. Vitamin water is great. You know why? Because it fools your brain to think you're drinking juice, but you're actually not. You're drinking water. And it's great. 10 out of 10.
That is called a product placement, everybody. This video is not sponsored by Vitamin Water.
It's sponsored by Vitamin Well, which is the, I guess, the European version
It's
of Vitamin
also
Water.
not sponsored by them. You can't just say these things. It's like,
It is not sponsored by Vitamin Well. We're not getting paid for this. I wish we were.
I really wish we were also. Okay, so I
I definitely forgot what I was doing.
I needed to npm
Uh,
install. Sorry, I needed to npm install on your computer, and I couldn't.
what?
Um,
Okay.
I need to npm install
Yeah.
next font at next/font
Okay.
for your
Next slash fonts or font.
font, one word. And then can you like in, I don't know, do I have access to your file system? That would be
I
cool.
don't think so. Why? But I can create a terminal that's shared though.
Yeah, but
Wait.
there is one, but it's read only.
Yeah, read and write. There you go. This
Oh,
terminal. Do you have a new one now? That's read and write.
thanks. That's so awesome.
So now you can write there. Can you write it?
What can I write there?
You can write whatever you want.
I know, right? I know, right? Anyway, you have this thing, right? The cartridge fonts on your computer. Can you put we can't put them if it's open source because it's a copyright font. Hmm.
Oh, true. Yeah. Can you just like use enter for
Yeah.
now, and then we'll find a way to like
Yeah,
not put it on.
that's all right. Yeah. I will use
Yeah.
international. Mr. Worldwide.
Nuke the database again, and you're on VPS again.
This layout, I don't like this default layout. I'm going to remove this default layout. We can iterate as needed.
Yeah, sure.
Why nobody wants these class names. Everybody leave. Save. Clean. Clean. I found out, by the way, that the hot reload is actually ice cold reload, meaning
Yeah, no, that makes sense. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of a miracle that this thing even works, man.
true. Shivam, I see that you failed to create an array in JS. My deepest sympathies for you. But it is an impossible task. I was just messing with you. It's impossible in Java.
Let me see. Let's see if we have GitHub login now.
Wow! Wirklich? Okay. Um, Index. So here, what we're gonna do is class name. What are we doing? So we are doing, actually, this is not a div, this is a section. H screen.
Client side exception occurred. Jesus Christ.
Cheese and rice.
I think the redirect URL is wrong or something.
Sarah, I think you're awesome. I don't know if I told you that
I
recently.
can't even figure out how to make GitHub. Why is. What are you doing? Why are you doing this to me?
I can't believe you've
Off.
done this.
Command B. Okay, gotta put an ass string. I love TypeScript. Love it. Love it. 10 out of 10. Great. Great. Great.
TypeScript is a way of life for some people, but it's not for everyone.
Oh my god, ass string. Jesus Christ.
Hey, Karan! How are you, Karan? Why is this?
Oh, I need to change the pages. I know what the problem is. Oh my god, next off again. I live on these docs now.
Sarah,
Where are the pages?
did you kill the dev server?
No, it's running again. I mean, I did, but it's running now.
It doesn't have my latest updates. It's interesting. So for those watching my screen on the live stream, right, what you'll see is over here, we've got, let's make this a little bit bigger. What we've got here is H screen, W screen, okay? But like what I've got on the editor is a little bit more. It just doesn't want to save it. Why? Ah, maybe if I save it now. Double save. Ah, it needed, oh, look at that. It like half saved items sent. I'm learning so much about live share.
I'll sign in. Why do you redirect me to sign in? Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you to deserve this?
This live stream is
I
just
don't understand.
this live stream is just angry people screaming at computer.
What have I done to deserve this?
Okay, this is
Okay, great.
awesome. I think it's Justify Center, not Content Center, but we're almost there. Please save. Are you going to save? It's saved. Now, time to.
Oh, I think I know what it is. I don't think I know what it is. My hopes. Sure, mate. Whatever. Let's do this. Event sign it. That's actually not it.
What? Why are you?
Client API.
I said with screen, man. That's 100. Ah, there it is. Hot reload, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so this is great. I want the text to be way bigger. 6XL is not enough. I need more.
We need a callback URL because life is pain. I think.
It's gonna, oh, size it. Are you okay? So what we want is these are the wrong types. But let's just pull on the thread a little bit. Theme. Oh, hello, dot. Space, size, something.
Oh, I need to add a redirect false. Okay, let's see if that works.
Wow, this IntelliSense is very broken.
Also, my computer is slow.
Yeah, but in this case, I would not blame TypeScript. You know, it's I would just blame.
No. The TypeScript that was complaining wasn't about that. It was because you had like I had like process that end when he was like, this can be null. I'm like, oh, for fuck's sake, TypeScript. I know it can be null. Just leave me alone. God damn it.
Ace.
That's why I was complaining about TypeScript. Okay, auth. Sign in. Can you not redirect me anymore? Why the fuck is it doing this? I don't understand. Okay, let me Google. By Google, I mean search for sign in. Where is this being used? Okay, I don't want to read me. No.
Text font size. Tailwind's docs are pretty awesome.
Where that push sign in. What are you doing? It's off that sign in.
Tailwind's docs are pretty awesome, I have to say.
You mean Tailwind stocks? Yeah, Tailwind stocks are really good.
It's very good. So I've customized the font size. Now I'm gonna go here. Text front. Is that what I called it? Front. Front is enough. Alright, we're gonna save you, and you're gonna be saved. You're right. You're gonna hit. Are you gonna be?
Unexpected token.
Are you going to be saved? Will you be saved today? Okay,
You're getting an unexpected token on the CSS loader.
I'm not. I'm not. It's just it is not saving the full thing. It is partially saving, and then it's like incorrect syntax, and then it's like complaining. I've caught on to its tricks.
I think your editor is changing the order of uses. Can you turn it off?
Oh, look at this! It added a comma for me. Awesome. Dankeschön. Appreciate. I don't know why it did that. Oh, what is happening? Are you? I don't know if you can see this, but it's very.
Are you getting a weird? Yeah, global.css. What is happening in
No.
global.css?
It's not global.css. It's tailwind.config.js. When I save, random commas appear. But now it seems to be under control.
Okay, cool. Okay, there we go. Should be okay now.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Okay, good. No, not sign in. Auth not sign in. Why are you doing this to me? I don't understand. I'm very confused. Like, I don't understand why this is happening. Like, why is it redirecting me?
I would help you if I had context. What do you want to describe the
I don't understand the context. It's just like for some reason, it's like redirecting me when I go to auth/sign in. It's really weird. Okay, so I go to auth. No, not this. Yeah, sign up. What does sign up do?
tracking tighter? Are you using next off?
Yeah. Sign in just goddamn redirects me for some reason. Oh, wait, I think I have like a redirect shit set up somewhere. Yeah, redirect if authenticated. Where does this go? Okay, wait, get session, return validate session. Okay. What is
How are you
this?
doing?
Sign in, redirect. Okay. Okay, I found it. What happens is apparently if you're signed in, wait, what? That doesn't make any sense. Redirect if authenticated. Yeah, okay. And then redirect if authenticated returns validate session. If redirect returns sign in redirect. Validate no. Redirect wait, what? So returns validate section session which would oh the validate condition. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna create a new one called home direct equals.
This is very interesting because I don't know if my save is actually going to save and reload. So I have to save, manually reload, and then it doesn't apply. Then I change it white space, save, manually reload until I actually see changes. That's what I've discovered. But this looks good so far. I like it. Um, Now we just need random trees. Oh, you know what would be awesome? Is if like trees appear in random positions every time you load the page. That I would like that. How do I open? Ah, it's a shared terminal, right? I'm about to mess your computer up, I think. Um,
Oh,
yeah, sorry, that was an accident. I was hoping it would open on my computer.
it did not. It opened on mine. I was like, what the fuck? What have you done? What the hell? You shouldn't have this power.
Yeah, exactly. You can just open all kinds of evil stuff on your computer. Um, it's fine. I'll just make stuff on your computer. How do I upload? This is interesting. Can I copy paste onto your thing? So if I copy a file, can I paste? I can't.
Oh, they should never redirect the sign. They should redirect all sign in, which is still wrong, but it makes more sense now. Okay, so user necessary. Okay, redirect if authenticated.
If
Okay, redirect if authenticated should never.
if authenticated.
Okay, so this one needs to call the home redirect. Okay.
What?
Equals home redirect.
What is love?
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more.
Nice.
And the other one needs to call.
That is so pixelated, it's nasty. I wish these assets were in Retina.
Then I need redirect, which is it's any, I don't care enough. And then we have another. And this calls return redirect, which should now function properly.
I'm looking for a tree. I found a tree.
We're both having very different experiences.
Uh,
Yes, the redirect is working. And now I don't think I have a sign up. Let me create a sign up page.
Hey, I need to send you two images and then like have you place them in a folder.
You can't do that?
No, maybe I can. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure you can.
Okay, let's test. What do you think? Just by drag and drop?
Yeah, I mean, should work, no?
Whoa, that it totally works.
I mean, if you can open my Finder, I assumed.
That's awesome. Um, okay, but I don't know. I don't trust it. Anyway, that's actually pretty good. Let me paste more images. I get downloads. I got a stone and a tree. That's pretty rad that it does that. Oh man, they have weird names. The tree is whatever. Can I rename? Wow, this is pretty awesome. Stone. This is pretty awesome.
Let me create a sign up page off. New file. Yes,
Let's see. It's in images tree.png. I want candy.
Okay, yes, I want sign out and callback URL equals.
Oh, unexpected token section. Oh, why are you unexpected? That's actually very expected.
I think so, but apparently.
That syntax looks parfait, as you say in French. Parfait. I don't know if it's the right place to bring it up. What?
What?
Shivam is asking if you should bring up communist views after office hours with your workers in Germany. I have no idea. Um,
You didn't close the image. How did you want it to work?
I did hear though locally. I'm sharing my screen with you. But
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I think the save didn't like make
No,
it.
but it's still happening on mine.
Ah,
In mine, you're still writing for some reason. And wait, it's almost there.
this
Oh,
is
there we go.
this is so great. I love this like feedback.
It's like usually it's fine, but like sometimes
Yeah.
it's just like, you know what? No,
Y-
I don't want it to happen.
But you know
Okay, now
what?
you're writing stone,
Oh, it's
and now you're changing the alt thing. It should.
wow.
It's almost there.
I did that like 2 years ago in my mind. That's amazing that's
Okay, it's compiling. Done.
wow.
Wow.
Oh, and the images don't exist. Can you check in your file system what I
Yeah, of
pasted?
course. Public images. Yeah, stone and tree. It's here.
And they open correctly?
Wait, shouldn't you use like what? They open correctly? No, they do not. Like at all. But it's trying its best. Can you send me the images over Signal?
Yeah.
They didn't. They did not open correctly. It was having way too much to open this.
Yeah, yeah. Um
Built-in text editor.
What happened?
Ooh, this
No, no.
document. This document.
Are we okay? Yeah.
No.
That's that's the whole point. This course platform is for course platform people who are not okay. Yeah, is that I mean like who are just as not okay as the rest of us. I think it's a good one. Okay. Um thank you
I
for
need to go
replacing
fetch them. I need to go fetch them. Wait. They're in documents.
thank you for
There we
replacing
go.
my
I'm here. This is what? Is this the tree? This is the stone. Let me delete the stone. Rename to stone. Okay, you should have the stone now.
thank you. That's awesome.
Okay, cool. That was stupid. What do we fixed?
Reload. Oh, I have trees and stones. Ooh, so cool, so cool.
Madness.
It is
Madness, I tell you.
it is madness.
This website is looking great.
Oh, thanks.
Where was I?
So now array dot from. How many trees do we want? Let's start with 45. Hey, people watching the live stream, do y'all know that the second argument to array dot from is uh is a map function? In case you didn't, now you know. Key I. Okay.
Yes, my favorite comment.
Your
Okay,
favorite.
sign in. Oh, I want to go bad. Okay, no, this is working, I think. Yeah, so now I need to go to sign in again.
Bum, bum. I think I'm gonna after I make this. Oh gosh, it's doing the section thing again.
My God, you got this, man.
I've typed. I don't know. It's gonna take like a few minutes to save my changes, but I've typed.
It's done. It's done. It seems to be done. It's just TS now, I think.
That's awesome. Nice. I think after I'm happy with. Oh,
Oh my God. Is it not done?
you should see.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know.
There shouldn't be a problem, but it's done on mine.
Okay, maybe I should just reload again. Um, yeah, when I'm happy with the trees and oh gosh, it still doesn't work. When I'm happy with the trees and stuff, I'm gonna work on the cursor sword. Cursor sword, the most important thing.
Oh my God. Dude, what the fuck? Just do the thing.
It's not me. I did it.
I know, but it's like, there's not even an error on mine either. I'm just gonna restart the server
Ah,
because
nice.
there's no error on mine. That's the weirdest thing.
Error, error.
It's like running the queries and everything. Oh, there we go. I think it should work now. Yeah, there we go.
This
That's
is like
fucking
the
stupid.
poor man's Learn with Jason show. That's
I know, right?
that's
So he didn't sign me out. Okay.
Wow! I have so many trees. And they're all in a big line. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, this is so good.
Logout? Is it logout? What did I call it?
Okay. Now the magic.
I called it sign out.
Mm, how do you find, hey, comment section, question for you. How do you find JavaScript quiz, everybody? How do you find the a random number in a range, a random number between, X and Y? Write me a function in
Right.
the comments.
Do I answer as well?
You can if you want. If you want to take the joy away from the people in the comment section, sure.
What? I got real. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I can goddamn make the goddamn. Okay, sign in.
So the reason I'm asking for this random number function thing is because I want to take these trees and like put them randomly between the bounds of 0, 0, x, y, and like, the corner of the screen, just kind of place them everywhere. Hmm? That's why. In case people
Is it?
was
Is
curious.
that why?
That's why, yeah.
Let's go.
Should the trees be in the background? Brett, yes. Yes, they should be. Um, so Fabien's code snippet is math.random times max. Okay, I don't think it's true because there's no lower limit, but I go with it until somebody can tell me between. Okay, the lower limit is 0, so yes, sure. But what if the lower limit was 5? You know, food for thought, Fabian. Um, position. No, I can use class name for most of this. Class name is absolute. I can actually use class names for all of this. Use the tailwind JIT. Absolute top math.rand. This just feels so wrong. Um, oh, accessing window in here. My lordy. You know what?
Am I doing that?
No, no, I am. I am.
Okay, good.
I'm really like abusing a lot of things in the moment. Um, time to make a tree component. Let's go here. Const tree. All you are is an image. Return. But I need to use effect because I need to get stuff from the browser to know how big the screen is. Um, oh, what? Um, with
Is my phone bold?
this is only because of server-side rendering.
Oh, you're doing the trash thing of like if it's undefined, just let me just leave me alone.
Yeah. Uh,
Why you like this?
I don't know what you're
Is my
talking
phone
about, but
bold?
no, I'm just setting some state based on if I'm in the browser or not. Class name. Oh yeah, and we just do math.random here. Class name is absolute. Top is math.random between 0 and screen size. Can I destructure inside an array? Let's find
You
out.
can do whatever you want as long as you believe in yourself.
As long as I what?
As long as you believe in yourself.
Nice. Thanks, Eminem. Um, with, then we'll add px. This is going to produce some really messed up stuff, I expect. But let's find out. We are here for learning and experimentation. Um, I'm about to hit save, but I'm scared I'm going to break everything again because it will save like a half-written file. But you know what? YOLO! This is how I ship code on Friday evenings. I just say YOLO and hope for the best. Oh, look.
I understand.
What's up, Andreas? Nice to see you. Um, Akash Hamirwasia. Sorry, I mess up your name all the time, bro. But your math random thing is very good. I like it. Shuffle greater than pick first works great unless you're dealing with large arrays, of course. Okay. Um, cool. I'm gonna use Akash's. Oh, it worked, but everything's in the middle. So let's go use Akash's snippet. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, let's use this. So I will say const random number. Um, it's a function max get random number, and what we would do is instead of this, we get a random number between 0 and the screen height, get a random number between 0 and the screen width. Save. Come on. Come on, save. I believe in you. I believe in miracle. Sorry, you have your thinking face on.
I'm waiting for the icon to look. I'm waiting for like TypeScript to like do his thing so I can import it. Simpleicons.org.
Rightio. It hasn't saved my class names as. Oh, what is happening? Core is not defined. Excellent. You know why? Because I wrote const like 5 millenniums ago.
But this is really weird. Like, it should work way better than it's because we both have pretty fast internet.
I've got 250 megabits per second.
Yeah, I have like 400. Like, there's no reason for this to be this slow.
Okay, Sarah, it's not a competition.
Mine is bigger than yours, though. It's bigger.
Sarah, it's
Bigger.
always been bigger. That's why we're friends.
Nasty.
What? It's just internet.
Nasty
Okay,
boy.
come on. To is not defined. Hey, come on, yaar, help me. I saved like. Oh, nice. I think it's is the key to talk to it in an Indian way.
Maybe. I mean, class name with
अरे
five.
भाई साहब Visual
I,
Studio Code,
you'll
please.
only know if you continue doing it for it.
Please, Visual Studio Code, just do me one favor.
There we go. Beautiful.
Did what?
Pick last name, justify center. These are already
Sandeep says
friends.
they just don't forget to round. Bro, I am with you. I will round hard. Um, cool. I would do an array or possible positions and then rand from array length. Ooh, Brett, that's pretty awesome, man. Um, that's actually a great idea. So what you're saying is find like the best positions on the screen. I like that. I like that a lot. It's great. Why it doesn't want to save yaar? What is this, huh? Okay. I'm going to take Brett's advice and put one.
I'm going to murder it.
You know what? You joke, but
I'm not joking. New file. GitHub.
I like
Button.
Brett's idea a lot. I think Brett is absolutely crushing it. Um, why do I?
Everyone in the stream but us is crushing it, to be fair.
Yeah, I am crushing my YouTube channel in terms of approval rating with this stream, if that helps. People watch this, they go like, "Oh, unsubscribe." Well, this is what we subscribe to. Are you for real?
Wait, what do we need? What do we need to do? What you need to do, not me, is you need to make sure that by the end of the stream you have more or the same number of subscribers.
I have one. Nicholas subscribed. Thanks, man. Your reaction when the sound of subscription happened, Sarah, your reaction um was awesome. You're like, what? Who would subscribe to this?
This mess. What is this?
That's so good.
Standards, my man. Where are your standards?
He don't have standards. Okay. So yes,
Respect
you
that.
said I need to, what was it? Akash, you said something important. You said I have to use inline styles. That's good. I'm gonna use inline styles. Um because this isn't seeming to work. I don't know if it, but it should work. I should at least have the strings when I inspect, but I don't have the strings. So this hot reload isn't working at all.
It's not even working for me properly, which is quite impressive since it's my own computer.
Maybe I should just pull the repo and work on it locally.
Yeah, I think no. That's what we're gonna do next time. But now it's like since we're almost ending as well, it's like, does it really worth it now?
When are we ending, Sarah?
I don't know. When are we ending?
I
When I finish GitHub login.
that's
So
good.
never, never, never. We'll live here now. We live on the stream. This is our home. You want to take me away from my home? Is that what you want to do?
I don't know what's happening, but this got very tense. Um, I I don't know what to do anymore. I've saved this, but nothing's happening. Maybe I should kill
Okay,
this.
yeah, you can like kill the server if you want. Okay, let's first. Okay, you know what you should do?
Oh, you know,
I'm gonna commit what we have.
yeah,
Just 1 second.
and then I
Let
can
me,
pull.
and then let's get everything working on your computer
Oh,
because you said you had some issues.
hallelujah. And then you know what? And then I can develop like with actual hot reload. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm going from like 1947 to 1948 and I'm India because I'm getting independence. It's actually 46 to 47. Anyway,
The British. Do you know what's the UK's biggest export?
the UK's biggest export.
England's biggest export, not the UK. Sorry.
There's so many ways I can answer this that I'm like paralyzed by choice. What is it? Is it tea?
No, no. Independence Days.
That's so good.
I, I
That's
thought you would like that.
that's so good. I love that one. I love um that's a great thing, Fabian. Your idea here. In fact, for those of you who want to, there's a donate button here in the chat. Feel free. You know what? Every time somebody clicks that and does something, I will put a treat. That's the idea. But even if not, I'll still put a treat. So,
Yeah,
yes.
I don't think the trees are related. Can we not make the trees related?
I,
Okay, I'm gonna stop the server and commit, and let's get it working on your computer. Yeah,
this is so good.
commit. We did things.
Your commit messages, we did things.
Do you want a better commitment? Oh, it's done now.
Imagine Sarah, question for you. How do you feel
How did I
about
get a job? Pure insane luck.
conventional commits?
Oh my god, did you really want to do conventional commits? I
No,
can't
no,
do
no, no.
conventional
I
commits.
don't want to do it. I want to know what you think of it because me personally, I'm not a fan.
I don't. I think it depends. Like if you're working on an open source project that people are supposed to like be using and stuff. What is my error? I think it depends. Unexpected arrow function? What the fuck is this? This isn't the index. Unexpected arrow function?
But it's just you know what happened? It half saved. It's been doing that. I typed like an entire essay and it just saves the first letter. Live share. Trademark.
Okay, I commented it. Don't touch anything. I'm just gonna commit. Okay. Now, can you like git clone the website? Did you already do it?
I did.
And if you did, can you pull?
Git clean. One second. Let me just clean everything. Git reset hard. Git pull.
It's gonna have many
Ooh,
differences.
yo,
Okay.
yo,
So
yo. Wow.
okay, do you have Docker installed? You do.
I do.
Okay. Okay, so you should be able to run yarn. You
Mhm.
run yarn.
Just yarn.
Can you do it? Yeah. Yeah. Um,
Yeah, yeah.
who wanted to talk about communism at the workplace? I think you should do it. Whoever it was, I think you should do it.
Yes, because he said, well, let me pull it up. It was Shivam, right? Am I saying the name correctly? Because he said, um, he said that even his mom, his family rather, shames him for his views, and I think that's very sad. It's
I'm not shaming you for your
yeah,
views.
there is no shame here. You
I'm
need
also a socialist gay. I mean, I don't know if you're gay. I'm gay. But I'm also a socialist gay. So if you want to talk about that kind of shit, I'm here for you, my boy.
talk all day. In fact, if you want to join the Zoom call, and talk to us, feel free.
Just join the Zoom call.
Why
Let's talk
not?
socialism on this podcast right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm running yarn. This is one of those yarns that's gonna take the yarn of my entire life.
I mean, yes, but also because you're sharing your screen twice. That might be related.
Shazare.
Just saying.
How does it feel, Sarah, to
Saying.
be getting the behind the scenes live stream by my screen share? Look, you can see shit that everyone else is not seeing right now. Yes. You know?
I can see OBS.
Yeah, you can see OBS, you can see all my controls. You can see the hide.
There's buttons. There's buttons, and then you can change from me to guest, and then you can take me away. It's
I
beautiful.
can do all kind, but I don't
It's
see because I haven't. I'm in studio mode, you know.
sure. Then you have to transition. Yeah,
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 all
yeah.
of you can't see my studio mode. You should all be very jealous of Sarah because it's very special.
It's very special. I've never felt more lucky in my life. This is even a bigger day than when I had my first child. I don't
I don't even know. I don't.
I don't have children. I did, and I
Like,
said
how
that, and
do
I
I come
actually
back
meant
from
it.
this?
Can you imagine, like someone saying that and actually mean it?
Ah,
Wait, why are we starting a war in the internet? I'm lost.
because Nicholas said we should tip for if every tip that I get on this stream, I should cut off a tree from the page. And so Fabian said do it to plant trees, and Nicholas said do it to cut down trees, and they both like time to fight. It's all
I think
about.
this should be done now.
Oh
No.
please, yes,
Yeah.
awesome.
Okay, now type yarn DX.
Yarn
Now we
DX.
have DX. Okay. So it's starting Docker Compose.
Docker Compose.
And they need to download a bunch of Docker stuff, and this should work. I think you just ran yarn dev.
Do I need
I
a
didn't tell you.
do I need a .env?
Yes, I'll send you it.
I will be sure to not get it on the screen share. Can you imagine if I leak all the GitHub access tokens?
The GitHub access tokens only work for localhost 3000.
They can still use it
So
on
it's
their
like
local host.
not the end of the world, my boy.
Alrighty, did you send it to me? Did you send it to me?
I sent it.
Um. Oh wow, that's a huge .env. Okay, I need to find a way to save this .env without people seeing. But every time I open VS Code, people see it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh crap.
Yeah, that makes sense. You need to create a data.
That makes sense. All right. It's
Yeah.
I'm gonna just everybody's just gonna look at the two of us while um you know
It's also like this client secret literally only works for localhost 3000. So like
yes
there's not a lot you can do with it.
but
Like I get that you don't want to share it. I understand and I respect that.
no, but people can use your access token on their local host and still act as you on GitHub on their local host 3000. You know what I'm saying? So
Oh, you're not. You're in the yeah. You need the yeah.
uh no.
Don't say it. Just go. Just code. Just open a new one. Yeah.
Let's touch.env will open code um and now everybody's look everybody, it's the backstage pass. You get to see my OBS. Isn't that cool? Let me actually switch. Boom. Um, that's just because I'm trying to be sensitive about this .env thing because people can from their local host screw up your GitHub.
That's it. You can close it now. That's all you need.
Thank
You
you.
can change the database URL, but
I
there's
can
not
go
much.
back and add whatever that shit was. You know what? I can swear, man. Like I try not to swear on YouTube, but at this point,
Oh, I should have like done that to be fair because it's not my YouTube, so I was like, I can swear all I want.
it's
But there
okay.
was one time I don't remember which podcast it was, but I was on a podcast where the person asked me not to swear. It was the hardest hour of my life because it was the fact that I couldn't. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's like
you just had
yeah,
to.
yeah, yeah. It's like if someone is like you can't swear, then you're like, oh, that's all I want to do now.
Yes.
All I want to do is swear.
All I want for Christmas is
I
swear.
swear.
Okay, so is this work? Oh, nice, Sarah. That's actually the best setup I've seen. And so
Yeah,
yeah,
you just have to run Yarn DX.
well, I didn't have to earlier
It's
today when I
working
tried.
fine now. Yeah.
But
So let's see how the homepage is.
yeah,
Let's see if you can.
let's see if I get hot reload.
You should get hard reloading now.
I
Yeah,
should.
I commented the trade because it was giving me the fuck.
Okay, so what? That's all you had? I lost all my code? No, I had a whole thing. Ah,
I'm sorry, I didn't have that.
it's not your fault. Um,
Is it? Is it not?
it's never your fault. It's actually
Sometimes it is, and that's fair.
if somebody's watching the live stream, I want to float the idea that it's never just like one person's fault. There's
Are you
always
talking about relationships? Does this get real deep?
that's what I do, Sarah. I only operate at one depth, and that is the ocean. So woo, I'm a fire. Absolute.
What? You only operated one depth, and that's the ocean. That was so good. That's a fucking whale, y'all. That's the only depth I operate. Oh, by the way, GitHub login is working.
Oh, nice, good job. Window size, set window size, use state. Ah, use state. This is so much better. Even the typing, like the keystrokes, feel like not so sluggish.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That makes sense. Like you always had lag, right?
Yeah, it was pretty hard to type with. Um, Look at this amazing destructure. Oof. Um, Width, height, key. I don't need a key. Save. Where are you? Did it hot reload? It did. It did. Is my I'm not math randoming.
Yeah, you're just putting everything in one place.
But even still, I'm a bit confused because no, it's good. Yeah, it works. Cool, but this isn't actually. the JIT doesn't work. I need to use inline styles, as I've been told like twice.
Oh, yeah, that doesn't work. Yeah, yeah, you need to use inline styles.
Yes. Wow, Copilot. You know what? Copilot is worth every cent. For reals. So good. Save. Okay, now it's off screen. That's perfect. And lastly, I just need to math random stuff.
Yeah, screw the random function. I was like,
Did you say screw the random function?
just create a random function.
Yes.
The functions are randomized.
That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go copy paste. Someone sent it to me. It wasn't Fabian. It was Akash. Boom. Akash gave me a great idea.
Beautiful.
So let's const random. Um, wow. It has I guess XD also. Thank you, Akash. Min max get random.
But you can.
What?
I would do max min because then you can just set the min to 0 by default.
Wow. Oof. This DX is like next level.
Yeah, because now you just need to pass the max.
So good. Top is get random number and its height. Heat.
No. Yes.
Get random number with. Come on, save. Oh, jeez!
Yes. Whoa!
That's so cool.
That's fucking awesome.
And
You're
they're random
kidding me.
all the time. Now, one last thing. I need to z-index like -1, I think.
Uh,
Because I don't
I
want.
don't think that works. Yeah.
I want them to be behind the. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. That's so nice. Let's double the amount of.
I'm gonna add the fonts on my side and add it to a git ignore and then send it to you. Maybe
Wow.
this actually looks really cool.
I
We
think.
should maybe try to find a way that they don't collide. But even if they do, like it's fine.
Oh, look. There's
But
just.
okay, now we need to create paths.
There's just one pair of stones over there.
Oh yeah, you need to do the stones.
I'll do the same.
I'm gonna change the font on my side. Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good. This is great. Good job. Thank you for the function, Akash. I appreciate. It was very nice. What? Worst case, I reset. What? Fabian is criticizing me. I don't know what he's saying, but it's never my fault, Fabian. Stop it.
Worst case, you reset. Yeah, exactly. Like it's all localhost. Worst case, you reset the token.
Fine. I'm gonna do the stones. While.
Yeah, do the stones. Yeah.
Let's actually change tree to sprite and just have one function. How about that? We'll make the thing a prop.
What is the like? Oh yeah.
Oh, Sarah, I can't tell you how much better this feels. Like
Oh yeah. Like I can imagine. Seriously.
it's game changer.
Encoded TTF in base 64. Yeah, I knew this was a thing.
What am I doing here? Sprite. What are you doing here? What is your problem, dude? Huh?
That WAF 2. I don't have WAF 2. Oh no, I do.
Woof.
Okay, so now if I go on the CSS, I should have this font, which is now encoded.
Am I missing something? What? Am I missing something? Images tree, images tone. What? Why? What are you? What are you? Object.
Yeah, let's see if this works.
Something smells. Did I import sprite? What? Something smells very bad. Whoever can figure this out, I will give you a pinned comment or something. But like, why is this object? That's a bit weird. SRC object.
Wait, what's happening? What is object? The path?
Yeah, but path is a prop of type string.
Yeah, because it's not. Wait. You created a component without curly brackets around the.
Destructuring.
So that string is not there now. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Danke, danke. Oh, look, wow, we have a thriving ecosystem of.
We need water.
We do
With
need.
water, what we can do with water is create several different ponds and just show a random one in a random spot.
Yes.
Does that make sense? I think
Yes.
that would be a better idea. I can
Yes.
make the ponds.
This is so good. I'm actually really enjoying this. Um, I don't think we need as many stones. We have 200 trees.
No, we need way less
Yeah,
stones. Yeah.
I'm on it. This is an awesome way to build this. I'm really into it. 50 stones.
Okay, so now I need the index. That's a 6, and I should have
20 stones. Nice. This is so good. I'm gonna get more different kinds of. Oh, there's big rocks too. See, now we just compose. We just compose creativity. What do you all think in the comments section about the this thing? About the
big rocks.
I like big rock.
Rocks, and I cannot lie. Why are you not working?
I can just actually take this whole foliage.
Okay, font cartridge is not working. Tell me config. Oh,
I have a hypothesis.
what is it?
It's I can put like two or three of these like combined foliages around in random positions and it won't look awful. It's my
Oh, if there's more than one type, yeah, then yes.
oh my
It
goodness.
just this.
She said
I got very excited because it worked. I'm okay.
it's my hypothesis. Oh man, I'm so happy to not be like live sharing anymore, honestly. Gosh. Public images, reveal in Finder, and then I will paste. What? Okay, we'll call this foliage. Let's see. Foliage. How does it look? Okay. It's not awful. That's actually pretty nice.
We should find a way to keep track of all of these values, right? Like all of the random values that are chosen to make sure that nothing stays in like a some distance of those values. But I think we
Yeah,
can do that later. Okay.
I hear.
First, okay. Can you pull? I did not change index.jsx. I did not change those files, so you can just pull. What?
I have
You
unstaged
need to
changes. It's fine. I just
like, okay. Okay, so now if you change, you need to restart the server, yeah.
Mm.
DX. Now if you change the where you have the H1 on the index,
Hang on. It's not starting. Why? Does it take time?
it takes a while.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it takes a
Okay.
while.
I have the H1 on the index, right?
Yeah, and change it to font cartridge.
Font cartridge.
Yeah.
No.
Ooh,
I
it actually looks like 10 times better by just adding this font.
I really like that.
Yeah, it looks really good.
That is so
Just
good.
by adding this font, it's kind of incredible.
I have an idea. I think like individual trees isn't going to scale very well. So what we might do is compose like three or four different like foliages like this, and just randomly put those in places. I think that's probably a.
Yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to do with like yeah, let me open. I also have this thing on my computer.
It's a cloud app. Everybody has it on their computer.
No, not that. Side World.
Ah, you mean the PSD?
Yeah.
We can actually put a lake like this just on the bottom left of the screen. That's what I'm gonna do. One lake. Actually, this whole thing with the lake and the fisher and everything. Fences. The girl fishing, where is she? I need it. Mm. Ah, fisherman. I like it. If this is so good. Sarah, you're a genius. Have I ever told you that? It's the
Okay.
truth.
Thank you.
So good. You're, I don't know, what was Itch was the place you found this stuff?
Yeah, I use Itch is great. Itch.io is really good.
Yeah. I've never heard of it, but it seems to be awesome. PHP. Now we're gonna have a fisherman. What's up? Pond. Felicitas sprite. Oh, but this isn't gonna be in a random place, so it'll just be a good old image tag. Fishing. Is it fishing? What is it? Pond.
Fine for yeah.
Okay, what we got? What we got? Ooh, she's very small, but it kind of works.
Wait, where is she?
The bottom left.
Oh, that's really cute though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it should close. Like it shouldn't, because that way it has to always stay in the same spot. Yeah, exactly.
I have an idea. Wait. There. So now she's always in the same spot. See?
It still needs another water thing.
Yeah, yeah, definitely another water thing. Also, I was thinking like, yeah, another fence. Like, let's get some fencing around her. So it's a bit unrealistic for her to for.
What we'll do is actually remove the fence and close the water on the other side, so then it could be anywhere.
Ah, genius. Yes. Let's go do that.
No, you can just, I guess, copy. Yeah, just copy that either way.
No, because the fences are in a separate set of layers. So I'm just gonna undo a little bit so I get the fences back. There we go. See? Fences. So
Oh, okay, yeah.
what you said was remove the fences, right? Let's
I think you can't you just copy it with the layers somewhere.
yes, that's what I'm doing.
When you copy it, doesn't it not come with the layers that you copied, or does it like squish them?
It squishes them.
Ah, bullshit. Bullshit. So, what I do is seriously squishes them. Then can you go back and just duplicate that?
Yeah.
Because otherwise you're gonna lose it.
Well, I have the PSD, like the original PSD.
Fair, yeah. So okay, so then I delete the. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay.
Delete the what?
I don't know. I don't know what you're doing. Okay, is that the water?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
And so what you're suggesting is duplicate it and flip it on its head. So it, how do I close the water? I guess that's what I don't understand.
Yeah, I think it had to be done. Can you send that to me?
Sure.
Can
Sure.
you send and the lady? Can you send all of that my way?
Of
Let me
course.
open it. And then you can do something else while I try.
To be fair, you have this PSD because I got it from you.
Yeah, but I don't have a way to open PSDs except for Wikipedia, and then it would take forever for me to do the same thing you're already doing.
Ah, okay. Yeah, let me send you this. File, export as PNG, save. Let's go here. Sarah, you sent me something and deleted it. Interesting.
Yeah, it was the info.
Ah, all right, you got it. You
Okay, let
got
me try to
it.
do it. Okay, show and folder.
This looks really good, I have to say. I'm very happy with how this is looking. If this looks great, but
What the fuck did I do? Okay, there we go.
yeah, there was another idea from Brett who said think about like 4 different places and then choose a random array index. I think that's a good idea. Mhm.
Oh my god, so much silence in this stream. I think this is the first time there's been this amount of silence in this goddamn stream. We're both so focused. Look at us. Such focused babies.
Imagine that. This looks good. Okay. Yeah, this is a huge problem. So we can
It's a huge problem.
um like the location of certain foliage. What a weird thing to say about like building a website.
The location of the foliage doesn't quite match what I want. Okay, let me change the layer properties. Sprite properties. Yeah. How do I make it bigger? Yeah. Edit properties. File. Properties? No. Oh, sprite size. No, canvas size. That's what I want.
Okay.
Canvas size.
Let's
Make it bigger.
I just want the foliage. I'm gonna get rid of everything else.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So the
Perfect. I'm a fucking genius, Station. Just
I fully believe you.
don't
Fully.
do that. That's a big mistake.
I like the foliage in this location. What is this? Please don't.
Such a weird thing to say about a website.
Please give me foliage. Okay, let's do coordinates. Const coords. So either want them, and from the left, like 100 pixels from the left, and 100 pixels from the top. I don't know. I need. Look at this shit. It's like off the screen. What? Do a tree. More trees. Mm-hmm. What? I don't want the background. What are you doing? Oh, I see. What's the license on these sprites? Is it just like for use once you pay for it?
That is a very good question that I did not check. I will check later.
I feel like it's a little bit important.
A little, just a tad. Just a fucking tad. Yeah, no, you're right. I should have checked. I did not. Sorry about that.
Is it right?
Is it? Is it alright?
It's not like we can't check later.
Why the hell keeps a sprite keeps closing? I'm very confused. Okay, I'm making progress here. It's not. Oh, come on. There isn't. This layer doesn't have anything else.
Dungeons and devs. Dungeons and devs. Mm-hmm. Dungeons and devs.
There's fucking water on this layer. What is this water doing here? You motherfucker. I understand everything now.
That's so...
Like, there's nothing else on this layer. Why does it keep doing the thing? I hate the thing. Turns out there is a lot more on this layer. That was the issue. Okay, there we go. Now I can do this and this and this. I didn't do it. I didn't do it properly, Tejas. I'm so sorry. I let you down.
Honestly, it's impossible to let me down, but cool.
What the hell is that? Okay, whatever.
Let's do it, Omi. Something.
Okay, so let me get this later. Let me see the
I don't know how I feel
and
about it.
move it again. Rotate it like this. Put it in here.
I don't know. I just
You
don't
don't
know.
know?
I don't know, Captain. I don't know. I don't have the power.
Wait.
I
Okay,
don't.
so I should actually. Should I?
I think
I
you
mean, I
should.
could just do it myself. I can just fucking do it myself. Like,
That's the energy. That's what Thanos said. And then you know what happened.
did you say that's what Thanos said?
This is what Thanos said. Thanos, you know Thanos?
Yeah, I know. I'm a nerd. I watch Marvel, but like, where did that come from?
That's what he said. He's like, I can just do this myself.
I feel weird about being compared to Thanos. I'm gonna be fair.
There's
I
a
don't like it. I
th-
don't like it.
being compared to Thanos. There's
I
a
don't like it.
what if um have you watched what if?
No, is it good? Like I've seen it a couple of times on Netflix, like showing Netflix being like, "Yo, I want to watch this," and I'm like, by Netflix I mean Disney Plus.
It is pretty good. And in it there's an episode where um like Thanos was a good guy and he was like friends with everybody. Um it's very strange. I can recommend it. It's a good show. I don't know how I feel about this. Uh I wish they were bigger.
That's what she said.
Yeah, nice. I don't know if you've looked at my screen, but
Netflix.
I've
I
just
have not. Sorry. I'm like super into making this sprite look pretty now,
yeah,
and it's working. I'm closing it. It's looking nice.
I've just
It's
taken this whole town and put it on the screen.
no, that's too much.
I know.
No,
I'm
I'm glad we talked about it.
I don't know. I'm trying to be inspired, but I can't. I mean, we would have to just put ponds and houses. Houses. That's a sprite I can put randomly in places. Houses.
You can definitely put houses around all my places.
Hmm. Yeah, fine. I'm gonna remove it.
Thank you.
You are the most welcome.
I appreciate it deeply.
Okay. So you said you have a good pond, is that did I understand?
My pond is coming together, son. It is. Telling you, my pond.
This
Great pond. 10 out of 10 pond.
this New Orleans
Good
accent.
pond. You would kiss this pond. Would I kiss this pond?
Nicholas says use Snap. I don't. Oh,
It's,
he's
it's
making.
snap.
Yeah. Um. Okay. I don't.
I'm like, can you see my screen?
I feel like it's very sparse and it needs more stuff. And I feel like I don't know what stuff to get. There's so in the scene we have a graveyard. I don't want to put a graveyard in there. We have a. There's a little guy with a house. Let's just do houses. I'm gonna do houses. Seems like the easiest. Hmm.
This pond is happening. It's taking longer because I'm actually like drawing it by hand almost.
Wow.
I'm not actually trying. I like to think that I am.
That's pretty cool that you're drawing it by hand.
I'm not sure. Okay, just before you're impressed, let's look at it.
Temper your expectation.
Temper them real big, boy. Temper them big, yeah.
There's a big old statue here that is not going to be included.
It is not you kidding.
Statue. Statue. How are we doing? Where's the... Let's check. We have some people. That looks good. And some more trees.
Okay, so this, then I have
Wow. Honestly, all we needed this whole time was trees.
that was it.
It looks so nice with these trees.
No, the trees look really good.
Yeah, I agree. What if I make it like 1,000 trees? Would that crash my...
There's only one way to find
It
out.
actually doesn't. It sings. You know what's a great idea? Wait. Does Tailwind have support for text shadow? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, it does.
What? That's... does it?
Yeah, it does.
Tailwind. That's probably something custom, huh? Text shadow. Drop shadow. Well, it has box shadow, but I don't think it has text shadow.
I mean, you can also just add custom styles. Fuck it. I thought you did, honestly.
Well, I guess that's a Tailwind open source idea. Alright, no worries. Is text shadow still valid? Can I use .com/text shadow? It used to be. Oh, good, it's still valid. Nice.
Yeah, why wouldn't it be valid?
I haven't seen it used a lot lately, to be honest. Have you?
It's fair.
I thought it just kind of stopped being stylish. But we gonna bring it back, aren't we? Text.
Yeah, we are, son. Yeah.
Sorry,
We have an Irish accent.
your accent is cool. Green. Huh? There's no blur. What are you talking about? Ah, oh, I see depth. That's as deep as me, the ocean.
That was such a good joke. It was very solid, you know? Like, it was just solid. It was solid. It was stupid and good. It was great.
Hey, you calling my joke stupid? Huh?
Never. Never. Me, never.
Okay,
Right, even there.
full disclosure, a great TV series is called Welcome to mm, uh that one. It's new on Disney Plus. I forget the name, but it has Kumail Nanjiani in it. I think it's quite nice.
Something really interesting. I actually don't have Netflix anymore. I only have Disney Plus now.
Disney Plus is life.
Disney Plus is like better than Netflix now. That's just depressing for Netflix. Okay, I sent you the new thing. Let's see if you like it. I'm excited for you to see it.
Let's take a look. See.
And then we should go. It's almost 5.
Yeah, five is the cutoff. Wow, you've.
Told you. I fixed it.
That's awesome. Sarah the
It's now a pond.
Sarah the Pixel Artist.com.
I told you. I know pixel art.
Everybody,
It was funny that you're the one doing it when I'm the one that actually has pixel art knowledge. And my knowledge, I'm stretching that word.
everybody, please follow Sarah on pixelart.com. You know, there used to be a website called DeviantArt. Oh, I loved.
That's still a thing. That's still a thing.
Why
Definitely still a thing.
do people use it? I hope
Yep.
so. It's a very
I
good.
don't think that's the new one. I don't think that's the new one.
You don't. Are you
I
looking
don't
at?
think that's the.
Are you talking about my screen
Yeah.
or DeviantArt? I'm a little bit confused.
Oh, sorry. I don't think the one you copied is the new one.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Let's check. It is. Look, it
Oh,
has.
it is.
Has
Oh, it fits really well with the background and shit.
it does, and it overlaps some trees. I think we're going to have to do some like z-index magic to make the pond be like under the trees because the trees technically go on the pond, you know.
We should. Okay, the first thing I think we should do, and I can work on that as well, is to create. So let's say we have 3 different types of ponds, right?
Yeah.
Stuff like that. We should do that for the trees, for the ponds, and stuff like that.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Sorry, I'm just really.
No, you gotta do props and then props. Yeah, props. That's that. But isn't the default? It's -10, and you set that one to -9. It has to be -11.
Oh, you're so clever. I.
I know, I know. That's what my mama says.
Wow, look, there's a tree in the water.
This is like honestly, I kind of love how this website is looking.
I do.
Like, we need to fix a bunch of like, we need to like basically make the entire website like the window size a grid, right? And we know how many pixels each tree occupies, and then we need to say like you can't go on these pixels.
Do you think, question for you, a real question. Do you think it's not like troll question? Do you think we should build something fast so we could focus on the course platform, or like actually like engineer a really nice grid for like the world? I'm open to both. I think whatever.
That's a very good question.
Yeah, because we could
Let's go back to this on Monday.
yeah, we could maybe crowdsource the answer.
Yeah. Can you push and yeah, can you push?
I will push. I'll do that. Let me go here.
Let's put the website live like next after this. So I need to create a database and stuff.
Whip world homepage.
I love this idea, honestly.
I do too.
Just make sure that not this oh, you wanted box shadow like text shadow for the text, yeah.
Yeah.
It
Oh,
should have like it should have like a border.
yeah. Ah, text border. What?
Yeah. It should have a text border and then a shadow. Yeah, but we'll work on this on Monday because it's already 5.
Yeah. All
Yeah,
right.
so I hope everyone enjoyed this. It went better than last time. We actually did way more this time. We got GitHub login.
I agree. It's and we have trees and stuff, and we got inspired. So
We have trees. We have GitHub login. We got it working on both machines. What heroes!
I think that's
And we even got to use Sprite. It's great.
that's the biggest thing for me is we don't have to use live share. It's working on both machines. That's freaking amazing. So we can move fast. And I think the next stream we will move faster because we'll work on stuff in parallel and get the homepage out, get the sign up.
Yeah. So next time I'm gonna work on maybe different types of foliage and stuff on my side.
Wow.
But if I have time, but next time let's you continue working on the homepage, and I can work on like starting to add the backbone for the markdown files and stuff.
Yeah, but if you're gonna work on foliage and stuff, then maybe you can do that and like add elements to the homepage. I think we've agreed on a nice direction for styling. So then, you work on that part above the fold, and then I can continue like below the fold with the homepage. Like,
Okay, then next time I'll share my screen.
yeah, yeah,
Cool. Sounds good, and it's probably gonna be Monday. I
probably,
will say
and
most likely.
and it may be on this channel or it may be on Sarah's Twitch. So subscribe to both so you don't miss out.
Yes, it's very important. That's the most important part. Yes. So
Cool.
my mom can be proud of me, y'all.
Yes, I'll put a link.
She calls me every day. She's like, "Why are you a failure?" And I'm like, "Mother, they don't subscribe to my Twitch."
Twitch.tv, right? / Nikita FTW.
Yeah.
So I put a link in the comments for everyone to enjoy. And that's it. Cool, Sarah.
That's it.
I really, it was so nice to hang out with you and do this.
This was really nice. We just spent like 2.5 hours here, and we actually like accomplished some stuff.
Yeah, I did.
Some nice folks. It was great.
Yeah, cool. All right, well, I'll see you next one. Peace.